Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your WIEPPO S5, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type your recorder. And we have to get one of the following up. I think that I'm going to pick up this one. So just click install and wait until it finishes download. Tab open. Click on this button to start record. Accept the permission. As you can see right now, smartphone starts recording sounds, and if you want to finish, you have to just click right here. And here is our record. We can check the quality of it. So as you can see, that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.